Hello everybody, this is Brian with VSN Tech Networks. In this video tutorial I'm going to discuss how you can add, remove pictures or categories from your picture gallery that we have provided for you. A picture gallery is an additional feature where you can log into your own website and add and update pictures or categories of those pictures as you need to without us having to make any changes for you. So this is a method that empowers you to be able to make changes on your site. First of all, you would of course need to have a username and a password to log into your website portal. If you have not been provided that, please contact us and we will get that out to you as soon as we can. So of course you'll go ahead and log into the administrative portal of your website, and then you'll hover over components and then go to Zoom Gallery, which is the picture gallery component that we use. And first of all, we're going to show you how to set up categories. Categories need to be set up before you can add any pictures to your website. So in here you see that there are currently no categories created. So to create one, you just come up here and hit New. And in here you will enter a title. So I'm just going to say camping trip. An alias, you can just put in the same thing if you'd like, so camping trip. And parent category. Now right now you can see there's nothing in this drop down box because we do not have any categories added, but if there were, such as this camping trip, whenever I hit save and if I was to come back and create a new category, then I could then choose camping trip as the parent category. That would then make it a subcategory, which would only appear underneath the main category. Then you may type in a description here if you'd like. Camping trip taken on August 29th, 2011. And then after you're done there, then you just click Save. So there you are. There is the category. You can see that it is published, which means that it is live on the website. If we come here to our test gallery and click that, you can see now it says camping trip. Now, since we do not have any pictures added yet, there of course isn't a thumbnail or a small picture that kind of gives an idea as to what this category is about, but we will do that here soon. You can also see here is the information we typed in for the category description, where it says camping trip taken on August 29th, 2011, and it shows that there are currently 0 images in here and no hits. Now these are all configurable. I can get rid of this 0 images or it showing the hits if I'd like. That's all in the administration of those. We're not going to go into the configuration because there is a huge amount of configuration that can be done with this picture gallery, which is here under the configuration manager. We'll just show you here real quick. But you can see all the tabs up here at the top. There's general settings, and then even under general settings there are more tabs. User access rights. So if you want to have the ability for registered users on your site to be able to add their own picture galleries, then it can be configured using this information as well. So let's go back to the category manager, and if we click on new one more time, just to show you here, we can now change this parent category to camping trip, which means that this would then be a subcategory under the camping trip category. Well, the next thing we're going to go ahead and then is go into the image manager, which will then allow us to add images to the site. So first of all, if we click on image manager, you can see there are of course no pictures added to the site right now. But if we do click on new, then this is the information that can be added for a picture. Now, it takes a lot longer to go through here and change things this way, so we don't recommend it. So what we do recommend is that you click on either image upload or batch upload. If you go to batch upload, you can actually upload a whole zip file of pictures all at once. So if you have 100 pictures that you want to add to your site quickly, you can just zip them up and then hit browse, and then you can actually find the zip file and then put it in here. Of course, you would then need to assign a category. Now the only category we have is camping trip, so that is what is available in the drop down. And then there's a generic title and a generic description that would then be applied to each and every picture in that zip file. Otherwise, if you want to do the pictures one by one so you can be more customized with the title and the description, click on image upload. In here, then you have several boxes for the images, again, select image, and I actually have some already here. So I'm going to go through and add these pictures. It'll just take a little bit of time here, but you'll just go through and select each of the pictures that you want to have on the website. So that gives you an idea. You just go through and browse for the pictures and then add them. And then it looks like this is a generic title again, and the categories, again, camping trip. So I'm just going to say camping trip again for the title and camping trip for description, and then hit upload. Now it's going to go through and upload the pictures, and it says upload successful. Now to see these pictures, we then go into Image Manager, and there are each of the pictures. It tells you what category they belong to and shows that they are all published. Now if there is a circle that's red with a white X through it, then that means it's not published and it's not active on your site. As long as there is a green checkbox here, then that means it is active on your site and viewers can see it. You can see here the title of all of these were just set to camping trip, but if I click on one, this is where I can change all that information. I can change the title, I can then change the description, and then it gives me an idea as to what the picture looks like here. And then of course I can save, apply, or cancel, or whatever needs to be done. Now in the event that I want to delete these pictures, then I can just come in here and put checkboxes here and then hit remove. If you want to completely delete a whole category all at once without going through and choosing each of these, you just of course go into the category manager, put a checkbox here in the category, and then hit remove. It will then remove all of the pictures that are within that category along with the category itself. So if we come back here into our test picture gallery, now you can see that there is a thumbnail of one of the pictures we added, and then we can click on it, and then it will display all of the pictures that we have in there. Again, this shows the title along with a short description of it. Those are configurable in the settings if you'd like to have these things changed. As you can see, I don't have this showing, so I did take that out. But then I can click on the picture, and then I have the thumbnails here where I can easily go through and select them, and then I can even go through and play a slideshow of them. So you can see it'll go through and play a slideshow of the pictures here. And there goes the next one. Now here's some image information. It shows the file size. Again, these are all configurable things that you can set in the configuration. If I go back and get out of the slideshow view, it actually gives me a code that I can quickly copy and paste and send it, or put it on a website, another website. Send to a friend. You can even send this picture to a friend if you'd like. So there's many options with the picture galleries that we use for customer websites. They are highly configurable, and it's just a matter of what you'd like to have on your site. So if you do have any questions about this, feel free to reach out to us. Our website is at bsntech.com. This again is Brian with BSN Tech Networks. Thanks for watching.